Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to use Durable AI website builder. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your browser and search there Durable AI and click on this second website and open it up. And after opening it up, just click on this icon named as Build Your Site. Click on it, and from here you guys can select any of your niche like coaching, photography, landscaping, gaming. So just like for example, I want to build a website for financial management, so I will write financial management and consulting. I will click on it and I will click on next. After that, I will choose my location like USA. I will click on it. I will click on next. After that, you guys can enter your business name here, just like it's a tutorial. So I will add the website name as a YouTube tutorial. And after that, just click on this generate website icon and it will start generating your website automatically. As you can see, your website is being generated 25%. Just wait a little bit so it can generate our website according to our needs. And as you guys can see, it's building the website very fast in a very professional manner. It's 92%. And yes, your website is ready, and you can also edit it according to your preferences. It's easy, and that's how you guys can easily use Durable AI for building your websites. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.